is happening? Why does everything look like this? This is so crazy. Is this a freaking blizzard? Is this a blizzard? Ain't no way this is a blizzard, bro. Are we actually getting a freaking blizzard?
You can see his platform.
Cool, whoever just said I'll have mods, but you're really sucking ass.
I mean, this is how I jump. Whoa!
This kid has platforms.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is crazy. Hold on, I need to get up higher. This way. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
What is it?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What in the world is this? I actually need to get higher. Come on. Come on. I know I can. No, no, oh, come on.
No, double walls. Are you trying to teach me in a public lobby?
I can actually do it.
Oh, so you're trying to teach me in a public lobby, and then we can go in an actual lobby to see how good I got.
Wait, why is the ice breaking?
Wait, the ice is breaking?
What do I do now?
The ice is breaking?
Yeah.
What?
Look, wait, okay, who's saying what?
Are you actual noob? Are you actual noob? How do I get up there? Do this? I really freaking suck.
I'm actually new.
How do I get back up here?
I can't jump up.
This is crazy.
Is it just me? Happening across. Or is it very dark?
It is very dark.
Restart your game. You have to restart
Oh
your
my
game.
god. Wait, I can actually see tutorial right here perfectly. This is actually kind of cool.
Very black. It's the.
No, you have to restart your game to make it not black.
And I like it.
Why did it turn black?
Bro, what's your name
Because
about
it-
that, bro? I can tell you easily. Stop. Tag me, Dominic. Tag me, please. This kid's
Go get that kid. Go get it. Go get it.
Ratatouille, no, Ratatouille. Dude, Ratatouille, no. What you think? Don't lose it, though. I tag you.
The ice is about to break. The ice is about to break. Everyone look.
You're mean. We have red and pink left. We got
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to beach. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking god. That's just... Guys, that was crazy. Like, actually. But anyway, since it's a new... It is like a very, very new video for the update. Even though I'm making like a bunch of them. Please like and subscribe. That would probably really help me get on the main page. And I can start getting earnings. So, please like and subscribe. Here we go. Alright, just gotta get up here and get into a private lobby. I'm not even trying to tag anyone, so you can go anywhere you want, Blue. I hardly even care.
Guys, let's go.
Okay.
I'm the best person in the server, but I'm a loser.
Okay, here we go. Time to get into... Come on, go. There. There we go. And... You know what? Maybe I should probably... Wait, I've never been up here fully. Wait. No. Great. Now I'm in the water. But I think there's a way that I could probably... Wait.
I can't touch you. I can't touch you. Please don't follow me. Please don't follow me.
What is that sound? I'm the only one in here. I think I'm gonna do a don't touch the color challenge. I mean, the first don't touch the color challenge had a lot of views, so if you go watch that short, it's kind of funny because it's like, and it's also my first video, so also help out the channel a lot. Please subscribe and see you guys in the next one. Bye.